Okay, so today we're going to look at how to put in house plans into a Revit file so you can like copy it down. It just makes it a lot easier. So first of all, we need to find a pair of house plans that we like. I just picked this one because it was like the first thing I came across. I like it. I think it looks cool. So first we're going to save the image. You have to click all the way into the image and save it. I would just save it into your OneDrive. And we're going to just name this farmhouse plans 2 maybe, and that'll just download right there. It's pretty simple. So then we need to get into a Revit, into a new project. Then we can pull up the file where we have the house plans downloaded. Then you just drag and drop it. There's probably another way, but that's the way I learned. You can make it a little bit bigger, just depending on your scale or whatever you want. So it's that easy. And I think that's it.